It's important to clean your face with a micellar water whenever you want to do your makeup. Okay, do that. Then you apply a moisturizer. This is a moisturizer I'm applying on my face right now. And I'm massaging it into my skin to blend properly into my skin. Then I let it dry. Then I apply a primer. This is a primer that I'm trying to apply right now. Okay, you apply primer in the areas where you know you tend to sweat a lot. Apply it around those areas. A primer helps to reduce the pores on your face, and it blocks sweat on your skin, right? Apply it properly and make sure that you blend very well. Let it sink into your skin as you blend it. Now you apply your foundation. This is my foundation. I love applying with a beauty sponge. Okay, I love to apply with a beauty sponge. I don't know, it just makes it easy for me. You try as much as you can to make sure you blend your foundation properly. Make sure you blend it, let it sink into your skin. Okay, don't be alarmed. Okay, this foundation I'm using right now, it oxidizes. It will later sink into my skin the more when I give it time. Okay, this is a concealer. Yes, you apply your concealer and just apply a little amount. Don't go overboard with it. Apply and make sure you blend properly so that your makeup doesn't look tacky. So that it doesn't look tacky at all. Blend it properly. Blend very well. Okay, you have to blend. One thing about makeup is that if you want to get a flawless look, you have to blend. You put in time to blend your makeup properly. Okay, even if you're rushing, try as much as you can, or you're in a haste, you just have to be somewhere. Try as much as you can to blend properly. So blending is the key. If you want to get a flawless look, blend properly. Blending your makeup properly is the key. Okay, so the reason I am applying the concealer under my eye and around my forehead and my nose is so that those places will stand out. Okay, I just want those places to pop, for them to stand out, so that my facial features will stand out. I just want to explain it so that you all understand it. Okay, yeah. So now I am just applying a loose powder. Okay, this is a translucent powder. I'm trying to set those areas I applied my concealer. Okay, trying to make those places stand out. Yes. Okay, I just want to draw light to my face, those areas of my face. That's why I applied the concealer. That's the reason why I also applied the loose powder. That's the translucent powder. Okay, you want so those areas to stand out. So this is my powder palette. I love this powder palette. Okay, I use it to contour my face. You just, what you need is, you can get a powder or a contour set to contour your face. Okay, as long as this maybe is a shade or two darker than your normal skin tone. Okay, you can use it to contour your face. All right, so that's what I'm doing right here. I'm contouring my face here. Yeah. So here, you just need to set the areas you did not contour, the areas you did not highlight, and the areas you did not contour. You just need to set it. Okay, you just need to set it. That's what I'm doing right here. I am setting those areas I did not contour and I did not highlight. So here I'm just adding color to my face. Okay, yeah, just trying to apply an eyeshadow on my eyelid. So yeah, I'm contouring my nose with this powder palette as well, as you can see. Okay, I'm contouring my nose with it. You need to chisel that nose. Okay, you need to chisel it out so that your nose stands out. Okay, that's what I'm doing right here. I'm trying to chisel it out. Okay, you need it. You need your nose to stand out whenever you do your makeup. Okay, I can't do my makeup without contouring my nose. It's not possible. It's not possible. Okay, it's not just possible. You always need to do this whenever you apply your makeup. So here I'm trying to add more color to my eyes. Okay, trying to blend in the eyeshadow. Okay, just trying to do that, blend it in, add more color to it, trying to smoke it out. I'm just trying to smoke the eye out, not too much though, not too much. I don't like going overboard. Okay, yeah, this is my eyeliner. Yeah, I'm applying an eyeliner. Always use an eyeliner whenever you're doing your makeup. Always try as much as you can to use an eyeliner or even a black eye pencil so that you don't look pale at the end of the day. Okay, yeah, you just need to apply something dark around that your eyelash so that you don't look pale when you're done with your makeup. All right, yeah. So now I'm doing my brow. Yeah, okay, it's not always easy to draw that perfect brow. Okay, but with practice you will get it right. Okay, don't give up. Don't give up. Okay, just keep trying as much as you can in order to achieve that perfect brow that you like. You will get there. I promise you that you will get there. Do not give up. Okay, all right. Well, if you want a detailed video on how to draw your brow, please just drop a comment and let me know. Okay, I can make the video. So here, make sure that whenever you're done drawing your brow, try to use your spoolie to arrange your brows. Okay, yeah. So here I'm just doing applying my blush. Yes, you need to blush it out, girl. Blush it out. Okay, I just feel like blush helps to bring the whole makeup look alive. Okay, it brings everything together. It adds color to your face. All right, yeah. So I'm just trying to highlight, okay, this part. I'm just trying to highlight under my brows so that it draws more light. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm doing right there. Oh, this is my lip palette. I just love it so much. I just love it. Eye Magic. This lip palette has been serving me seriously. Okay, you just need to make sure you know the kind of lip you want to draw. Okay, and you go for it. You go for it. All right. Yeah, I'm a natural person. I just love my lip to be natural. Okay, I don't know why. I just love everything to be natural. I don't like going overboard with my makeup application. So you know what you like, go for it. Okay, just go for it. Don't be afraid. So basically right here, I'm trying to just set my whole face. Okay, I'm trying to set my whole face, both the highlighted, contoured and blushed areas. I'm just trying to set them with my powder palette. That's what I'm doing right here, right now. That's what I am doing, setting my whole face with a powder. Yes, that's what I'm doing. Oh, pretty hurts, right? Yeah, it's not easy to look pretty. Okay, yeah, this is a setting spray. This is a setting spray. You need one. It just oxidizes your makeup. It just tones it down. It makes it sink more into your skin. It reduces that powdery effect, that powdery look on your face. That's what a setting spray does. And this one right here is a finishing spray. Okay, it also helps your makeup to stay longer. It holds your makeup together. It holds it down, okay, so that it doesn't just wipe out easily. Okay, so thank you very much. This is the finished look. Okay, don't mind me. Okay, I love it light. I just love doing a light makeup on my face. If you want me to do heavy makeups, if you want to see how to do heavy makeups, please let me know. Okay, let me know in the comment section and I will do just that for you, my beautiful and lovely viewers. Okay, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that right now. Okay, thank you very much. See you on my next video.